Good morning, y'all. We are here at Mama Carmen's, which is a coffee shop in Fayetteville. Pretty good. Pretty expensive coffee. It was like $6 for an Americano.
Yeah.
Krystal gave them a look. But these next couple of vlogs are going to be mostly about Krystal because she's like, how many days out now? Today's Thursday. She competes on Saturday. Hope there's not too much background noise from the coffee shop. But I just kind of want to like take this opportunity to showcase what these last couple of days of prep are like, the emotions, like the activities, just everything, kind of like a behind the scenes look at these last couple of days of competition prep. She's been dieting for 22 weeks now. She looks like a zombie. She feels like a zombie. So I just want to kind of let her take it. Like, I'm gonna vlog these last couple of days. I'm gonna vlog the competition. I'm gonna vlog the the refeed the day before, but just kind of talk about your experience. I want her to be able to look back on this, watch this YouTube video, and really like remember what this was like. So go for it.
I don't even know where to begin. I mean, I'm at the end. I kind of explained a little bit this morning on our live that I'm to the point where it's like there's no more work to be done. Like, we are about to go to the gym to do like my last workout before my competition, and it's like a surreal moment because you like wait in anticipation for this day for so long, and now it's like here. I'm really excited. I'm happy. I definitely found things that like I definitely want to improve on in my body, and there's things that like I'm unhappy with, there's things that I'm really happy with. It's just been like a give and take this whole time, just kind of trying to take day by day, and yeah, I don't know. Today I'm like really happy. I'm super stressed. There's so much stuff to do. I have to like prep all my meals and get everything ready. I haven't packed yet. There's just a lot to do before we can leave town tomorrow morning. So
what is the progression like of at the beginning? You start like, okay, I'm gonna be dieting for 22 weeks. That's a pretty long prep. And then you start with excitement, like you're ready to go, and then like there's like a dip in there where you're like, you can't really get over that hump yet, and it's like it seems like you've been dieting for so long, but it seems like you have so much more to do still. So when was that?
Yeah, so like when before my prep even started, like I was so stoked. I was so excited. I was like, this is gonna be awesome. I'm gonna look amazing. And as like the prep goes on, you're still pumped and stuff for like weeks, and then it comes to a point where you're like, all right, I'm just like not eating very much. I'm still working out just as hard. My cardio's increased. I'm kind of just miserable. I'm still 2 months out, and this sucks, and you still have to push through every single day knowing that you're missing food at events, and you're starting to get exhausted, and you still have so long to go even though you've come so far. And there was definitely times where I didn't see any change in body. I didn't see, the only thing I had was like pictures, and it's really like it messes with your mind because you really feel like you're accomplishing something, and then you don't feel like you're accomplishing anything, and then you look at pictures and you're like, oh, I guess I am. It really messes with you. But in the last couple of weeks, it's like you're really hungry every day. You're really tired, your body is so fatigued, and you're having to push every single day. And there was multiple days where I just like cried in the gym because I was exhausted, and I still had to push myself because I still had to, build up muscle, keep the muscle, burn the fat. It's a lot. Would you
define bodybuilding now as more of a physical sport or a mental, emotional sport?
It's a lot of both, but probably more mental than anything. It's definitely a mental sport. Like, if you know a bodybuilder, they're probably one of the strongest people mentally that you will ever know in your life. And that's just the way it is. I mean, you watch, all these bodybuilders on YouTube or whatever, and you see the hard work that they go through, but it's like actually real. Like I thought it was just like more for show, but it's actually like real, mentally challenging, you know? You go through a lot of emotions, a lot of dips, and, you know, peaks and valleys.
What would you say to people that like don't understand or don't get the lifestyle and like try and pull you away from your goals, try and tell you it's okay to have this one meal, and just trying to like wiggle their way into distraction?
Screw them.
Screw them.
I mean, that's really all there is. People say, like, you can't have one bite, and like one bite can lead to me just saying, it's just one bite multiple times, and then you're only screwing yourself in the end by listening to those people. Anybody that doesn't support you, I mean, you just have to look past them. And of course, you still love them and stuff, but they don't support you. They're not there for you. They're trying to distract you away from your goals. You can't even have that in your mind. When you decide to do a competition, you put all of your thoughts into that, and you don't listen to anything else. You put your blinders on.
What would be the biggest takeaway for you? Like, what's been the biggest aha moments or thing that you can use from this competition and leverage going forward in your life?
The fact that I didn't even know if I could follow through with the whole thing, and now I know I have so much more mind power than I thought I did. You know, I have so much more get up and go, convince yourself you can do it even when you feel like you can't. And I didn't have as much of that before. You know, I feel like I can go on and do, you know, anything that I want to as long as I put my mind to it.
Puts things in perspective, huh?
Yeah.
So what happens on Saturday? Like, what's gonna be your outlook, regardless of the placing? Like, are you happy with it all? Like, regardless of the placing, are you pleased with what's happened?
Yeah, I mean, Robert and I have had this conversation a lot. I don't care really what I get, like where I place. Of course, everyone wants to do well. You work this hard to hopefully, you know, place or do really well. I have no idea who I'm against. I don't really care who I'm against. I'm really proud of the fact that I've lost so much body fat, the fact that I've changed my body composition so much in such a short amount of time. Doing things that I didn't think I could do is the best thing to take away from this. I'm excited to step on the stage and show and present everything that I've worked for. I'm gonna have those pictures forever. I'm gonna have those videos forever. It's not about what the judges think, because each judge is gonna want something different. You know, I may not have the perfect this, the perfect that, but I'll be able to look back on those pictures and like the image of this is the hardest thing I've worked for, you know?
Yeah.
So you can't go into a competition like being like, I'm gonna win, I'm gonna place first, and it just doesn't, I mean, for me, that doesn't work. Because if I don't get first place, if I don't get top 5, if I don't, you know, I'm going to be down on myself. And I want to get off that stage and I want to be excited about the fact that, like, I worked this hard and I just got to present it, you know? I don't want it to be about the placing.
Yeah, it doesn't even matter about the other people. Like, obviously, I play to win. Like, I go in to win. But you can't control who else is on the stage. You can't control the judging panel. The only variable that you have control over is what you put into it. And if you put everything into it, then you can't ask for any more than that. And she has, and I'm proud of her, and I love you. Now, we're going to do a vlog for the day of, the day before, so tomorrow, the day of, and the day after. So right now, we're going to get an in-body scan. It's going to be our last in-body scan. Let's see what her body fat is now. Any last words? No?
I don't think so.
Alright, we'll talk soon. Alright, moment of truth. What did Krystal get down to? What do you think?
I don't know. 13.5.
You were 13.9 last time?
Yeah.
Let's try it and see.
13.4.
Yeah, you were right.
Yeah.
13.4%?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so 13.4%. What did your body fat do overall?
What do you mean?
Like from, what were you starting at?
It was like 25.
So from 25% to 13.4%. And what happened to your muscle?
Stayed the same.
And then this last time it increased a little bit.
Yeah.
So like over the 22 weeks, she's lost that much body fat and her muscle has increased technically.
Yeah. Actually, like the first month, I increased muscle, and then just now my muscle increased.
That is the healthy, sustainable, right way to do a contest prep. I'm proud of you, babe.
Thanks.
All right, y'all. This is the last workouts that Krystal has before her competition. We're doing like a blood flow. Not trying to train the muscles heavy, just trying to get some blood flow, fill out the muscles on show day. So it's gonna be like a light pumping circuit exercise. Here we go. How'd the last workout feel?
Felt pretty good. Felt like I had a good little pump going on.
Alright, getting ready for game time, y'all. What is up, everybody? I'm headed to Best Buy to buy a computer, a laptop, so I can pump out more YouTube videos more efficiently. I've been using my desktop, which is great, but it's not great for on the road, so upgrade, here we come. Alright, y'all, Krystal just made Keto Connects brownie for her post-competition dessert. And she wants,
there's gonna be almond butter and sugar.
yeah, it's gonna be doctored up. There's gonna be like all kinds of syrups and
gosh.
stuff on there, but she wants me to test try it, right?
Yep.
All right.
I want to film you test trying it.
Okay. By the way, I've got 1 gram of carb left for the day, so that's what this is gonna go towards right here.
Is it good?
Lights out.
Really?
So good. So good.
I can't wait.
What is up, everybody? Just got back from the store. I went to Best Buy to get my laptop, and long story short, they didn't have it because I wanted to get the 1 terabyte solid state drive storage for the laptop. They had the tier down from that, and since I'm making a bunch of videos, like I wanted to go at least 1 terabyte. So no luck at Best Buy. There's no Apple store here, so I called this like specialty premier partner of Apple, and they had the 2 terabyte drive, but it was like a lot more expensive. So I'm like, okay, do I go down? Do I go up? So I went up, and I spent a lot of money on my laptop. I spent more money on this laptop than my truck is worth. That's how much money I spent on this laptop. And I don't want to say that to like brag or yada yada yada, but this is a cool story, y'all. So when I moved to Washington, when I got that job with the railroad, the first thing I did was I bought my desktop computer right there. That's been the computer that I've built Keto Savage on. It's been a workhorse of a computer. That cost me $2,000. I bought that, and I bought a mattress when I moved to Washington. Those are my 2 purchases. I put them both on a credit card because I didn't have any cash. I just bought a house, I didn't have any cash. I got the job with the railroad. I thought I was big money, big time, you know, big boy job. Can't even talk, I'm so excited. And it's just like, I got this computer and I had to put on a credit card. It's not cool. This laptop, by the way, real quick, I've been traveling and working from this desktop. Trying to take this 27-inch desktop traveling is a pain in the butt. So I've got this little goofy Google Chromebook that cost $200 that I bought 10 years ago, and I've been trying to do work on that, which is like, can't even do that. So, I'm really proud of this laptop because I paid for this thing outright with money that I've earned on Keto Savage. So the business I built with the desktop paid for this laptop outright. And I'm proud of that. I didn't put on a credit card. I've saved for this bad boy for quite a while, but I built a successful business. I'm building a business. I'm passionate about that business, and it's affording me the things, the tools that I need to build that business further. Like, this is a tool for me. This is what I use to build my business, like my camera and my computer, and I'm set, you know? So it's like a carpenter that buys a hammer. Like, this is my hammer, and I'm proud of this hammer because I didn't have to put on a credit card. I worked my butt off for it, and yeah, that's my little rant for the day. So that's pretty much all I gotta say. Y'all have a great day. I love y'all. Tomorrow is Friday. We're leaving for Krystal's competition. I'm gonna vlog all that. Now I've got a laptop I can take with me to get those vlogs out to you, and it's gonna be awesome. So good luck to Krystal. Thank y'all for all the support and love, and we'll be in touch. Take care. Oh yeah, isn't that a thing of beauty, y'all? Isn't that a thing of beauty? Let's dig in and get to work.